Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, we're talking about what is RAG. So let's get started. So it's basically a technique that combines the power of a large language model, which is LLM, with an external knowledge base to give more accurate, up-to-date, and trustworthy answer. So for example, you can think like LLM like ChatGPT that trained on the data up to a certain date, and they cannot answer question about like personal document or a recent event. So for this, like RAG solve the problem. So think of like RAG as a like LLM plus our own document. So it give like a smart Q&A system. So I will talking about like what's the problem with normal LLM and how RAG fix it. So like when normal LLM does not know our private idea, so RAG gives like relevant document. So we give relevant documents from like our database. And like a problem in normal LLM is like knowledge cut of date. So RAG so like connect to live and updated document. And next problem is hallucination, like wrong answer. So RAG like give ground answer in the retrieved fact. So and with normal LM, it cannot cite sources. So RAG like return source along with the answer. Next is like how RAG work. So we talk about step by step. So like RAG work in two main phase, indexing and retrieval plus generation. And it done every time a user ask a question. So like first question is indexing. So first steps is indexing. So in this first we load document, and we load document by LangChain loader. Second is we split document into the small chunks by recursive text splitter. Then we convert chunks to embedding vector by OpenAI and Hugging Face. Then we store vector into vector DB by like FAI, Chrome and Pincom. Then we user ask a question, and it take user input. After that, after giving the question, it embedding and search vector DB. Go to search vector DB. So it's the tool is used like similarity search. After like top k relevant check retrieved, then LLM get question plus retrieve checked, and then LLM give final answer. And the tool we use GPT and Gemini and concepts you must know about. Like first is embedding. So it embedding means like converting text to a list of a number that capture meaning. Second is second concept, vector database. So it's a special DB that store and search embedding by similarity. Third is like similarity search. It is mean like finding chunks that are most similar to the user question. Then chunking means like breaking large document into a smaller pieces for a better retrieval. Next concept which required like context window. So how much text the LLM can read at one time. So like in LLM there's a token based there. Next is like prompt template, the format like system prompt plus retrieve chunk plus user question. Next, what minimum RAG code with the LangChain. So first we install the libraries like LangChain, first CPU, OpenAI this. Then we load and split document. These are like a code you can see. After we create embedding plus vector store. So we basically import OpenAI embedding FAIS these thing. Then we create retriever plus Q&A chain. After like we ask a question, and like in the form of print answer it give. So what are the type of RAG? So first is nav RAG. So it's basically a basic retrieve and generate pipeline, and it's best for Q&A on small document. Next is advanced RAG. So it's good for like better accuracy needed. Third is modular RAG. So it's good for complex enterprise apps. Then agentic RAG. So LLM decide when and how to retrieve. So it's used for multi-step reasoning task. And graph RAG. So it's for like knowledge graph plus embedding. So it's used in structured and relational data. So in real world, we use RAG for healthcare. So it is used for Q&A on patient record and medical guidance. Second is legal. So it used for search, contract, case law, and compliance document. Third is like education we use. The studying assistant from lecture notes and textbook. Then in commerce, we used for a product recommendation from catalog. Next is finance. So in finance, we used energy report analysis and SEC filling and Q&A. Next is customer support. We used RAG for chatbot answer from company knowledge base. So that's the video. Hope you like and enjoy it, and you understand what is RAG. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.